How does your garage door business's online reputation affect its revenue and longevity? How does a good online reputation for your garage door business help you? Your garage door business's online reputation affects its revenue and longevity. Of the items that can make or break a company's revenue and longevity, one of the top items is the company's online reputation. As per a survey by Deloitte, 90% of executives surveyed said that reputation was the most significant risk area for companies. That makes Google reviews for business not just important, but imperative. 88% of executives surveyed admitted that their companies were actively managing reputation risk. What about you? How does a good online reputation for your garage door business help you? A good reputation and positive reviews helps your target audience looking for garage door services trust you more, and trust you enough to call you, book appointments, and get high-ticket services from you. 95% of consumers report trusting a company with a positive reputation. We looked earlier at what executives think about a company reputation. What about consumers? What do they think about online reputation and reviews? A study by Trustpilot reveals that consumers ranked a positive internet reputation as the #1 most important factor when determining which business to frequent, even above the quality of products and services. So, consumers are choosing your business and services if your reviews are positive over that of someone else, even if they have more fancy offers. That's how reviews translate into dollars. When 3/4 of consumers, your target audience, trust a company more, if it has positive reviews, you want to find a way to get more positive reviews in Google My Business reviews. In later articles and episodes, we will talk about how to get Google reviews easily. Want an immediate 10% increase in revenue? If a quick 10% increase in revenue sounds good to you, then your thoughts should center around how to get Google reviews for my business. Image and reputation are just as important as finances and associations. Germany Kent. The impact of positive online reviews for business. For individuals and organizations alike, a reputation is far easier to destroy than it is to build. Andrew Griffin. Over 90% of people say that positive reviews make them more likely to frequent a business. Want repeat customers and referrals? Focus on how to get Google reviews for my business. 86% feel that online business reviews are as trustworthy as personal recommendations from friends or family. So online reputation with online reviews has now become the new word of mouth, since 85% of consumers trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations. There is no advertisement as powerful as a positive reputation traveling fast. Brian Kozlow. In the next article, we will take a look at how to deal with negative online reviews, and tips on how to get more reviews on Google, and get reviews for Google My Business. Remember, review is revenue. When you're not around, your reputation will speak for you. Frank Sonnenberg. And remember what the good book says, your reputation goes before you, making room for you. So, if you want more customers, start getting more reviews for your garage door business. Go ahead and get your free report of how your competition is doing, and what you can do better. Get your free garage door business report today, so you know exactly how to beat the competition. Request it at reviewisrevenue.com. For best results and higher revenue opportunity, make sure you have enough reviews, mostly positive reviews, and the right number of star ratings. Wishing you success. On behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Oscar signing off. Subscribe to our playlist, contact reviewisrevenue.com, and connect with us on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching.